Hello everyone, we from the Ideas for You Shop channel have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know about Erec Prime. Have you ever felt frustrated at not being able to satisfy your partner in bed? Erectile dysfunction can be a serious problem affecting not only your self-esteem, but also your relationship. Lack of confidence and embarrassment can become a barrier between you and a satisfying sex life. Imagine the anguish of feeling powerless in front of the person you love, unable to fully satisfy them. This feeling of inadequacy can affect every aspect of your life, damaging your self-esteem and even your mental health. Erectile dysfunction is not only a physical problem, but also an emotional one, which can leave you feeling helpless and desperate for a solution. Fortunately, there is a solution to your erectile dysfunction problems: Erec Prime. This innovative supplement has been carefully formulated to help men like you overcome erectile dysfunction and regain your confidence in bed. With a powerful combination of natural ingredients, Erec Prime works to increase blood flow to the penis, providing stronger, longer-lasting erections. In addition, it helps to increase libido and sexual desire, ensuring that you are always ready for the right moment. The Erec Prime supplement has been gaining a lot of prominence on the market since its launch, followed by a flurry of reviews and opinions on various platforms that are sure to leave everyone confused about the legitimacy of the formula. This is exactly why a detailed analysis will be useful. Erec Prime is a new male enhancement formula designed to help men achieve better erections, greater stamina, and increased libido. It is made from a combination of 8 carefully selected ingredients sourced from different parts of the world. The manufacturer claims that the Erec Prime health formula will offer complete sex life support for all men. With 60 capsules in each bottle, this male sexual wellness complex is manufactured in the United States in FDA-approved, GMP-compliant laboratory facilities using the latest technology and equipment. The Erec Prime supplement contains no GMOS, no BPA, and no gluten. Certainly, Erec Prime is a product you can trust with peace of mind. A large number of people have already achieved remarkable results with this supplement, as evidenced by the numerous customer testimonials available on its official website, which you can find in the description of this video. It's important to note that Erec Prime is completely natural and has no side effects, so you can enjoy its benefits without any worries. Components such as hawthorn berry, tribulus, chrysin, epimedium, saw palmetto, tongkat ali, wing tree, and magnesium are part of the formula. As per the supplement label, an adult has to take 2 capsules every day before bedtime to get positive results. As a caution or warning, it is recommended not to exceed the Erec Prime dosage to avoid side effects. It is clearly mentioned on the official website that you have to take the Erec Prime male erectile health supplement consistently for a period of 3 to 5 months to get effective results. The manufacturer assures that once the results appear, there is no turning back. By taking this male enhancement supplement daily, you'll gain health benefits such as increase in blood flow and circulation, boosts testosterone production, improves sperm concentration and motility, supports stamina, strength, and performance. Until now, all the feedback from Erec Prime customers has been overwhelmingly positive. These reviews can be found on reputable platforms such as healthcare forums, where users have shared how the supplement has effectively addressed their sexual concerns. The Erec Prime supplement, designed to support sexual health, is offered at a significantly lower price compared to other male enhancement products currently available. I'm excited to introduce you to the amazing purchase options for Erec Prime, the supplement that will revolutionize your intimate life. Option 1. 30-day supply package. If you're looking to experience the benefits of Erec Prime, this is the perfect option to start with. For just $69 per bottle, you'll get a 30-day supply of this powerful supplement. Additionally, there's a small shipping fee to ensure your package arrives safely and quickly. Option 2. 90-day supply package. For those who are ready to make a bigger commitment to their sexual health, the 90-day Erec Prime package for just $59 per bottle is for you. Plus, you'll get free shipping anywhere in the United States and 2 exclusive ebooks to improve your sex life. This is an offer you can't ignore. Option 3. 180-day supply package. And what if I told you there's a way to save even more and get the biggest discount available? With the 180-day Erec Prime package, you'll pay just $49 per bottle, receive free shipping across the United States, and get 2 free ebooks to enhance your experience in bed. This is the ultimate offer for those committed to improving their sexual health and saving money in the process. Don't miss out on this opportunity to give your sex life a boost and improve your overall health with Erec Prime. Choose the option that best suits your needs and start your journey to a more satisfying intimate life today. Action is the key to transformation. Click the link below to place your order now and experience the amazing benefits of Erec Prime. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you want to receive more content like this, I invite you to subscribe here on this channel. Ideas for You Shop. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.